In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best cordless oscillating tools in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. Rockwell makes one of the most powerful oscillating multi-tools on the market. The 2 angles of oscillation, choose 5 degrees when working on wood and 3.4 degrees when working with metal, paired with the 4.2 amp motor, allow you to go from slow and steady to fast and furious. The Rockwell is dependable, helping you to quickly complete light and heavy-duty jobs, from cross-cutting, plunge cuts, trimming precise cuts or slicing swiftly through metal pipes or sheeting. It has a cutting load of 35 pounds, an industry maximum. The Rockwell really shines in its ability to vacillate between aggressive and precise speeds, and it doesn't stall when pushed to its maximum capabilities. It can deliver speeds from 10,000 to 19,000 OPM without significant vibrations. It weighs just over 3 pounds, making it easier on arm and back muscles when using the machine on long, difficult jobs. You'll also get a carrying bag and 9 handy attachments. Number 4. The Milwaukee 2626-20M18 oscillating tool uses an 18-volt battery to produce between 11,000 and 18,000 OPM. You can set it to one of 12 speeds, and let illumination makes it easier to work in dim lighting. The rubberized handle cover is easy to grip, and it only weighs about 3 pounds. One of the first things we noticed when we reviewed this tool was that it doesn't produce as many vibrations as most other brands. The downside to the Milwaukee 2626-20 is that the instruction manual is hard to follow and doesn't explain how to use the tool very well. If you are inexperienced with oscillating tools, you might need to look up better instructions. The blade and accessory change are also more complicated than several other brands and can slow you down if you need to change accessories often. Number 3. Dremel has long been one of the top names in both oscillating and rotary tools, and the Multimax MM50 shows why. This well-designed oscillating tool boasts a powerful 5-amp motor, a variable speed of 10,000 to 21,000 revolutions per minute, and a no-tool required mechanism for quick and easy changes of attachments. Just twist, push, and insert 2 change attachments, and you're back up and running. Plus, the front end is compact enough, it's 30% smaller than similar tools, to fit into tight spaces, while the slightly angled design of the body means you have excellent control, even when working on very small or detailed projects. At just under 3 pounds, the lightweight tool can consistently cut and sand through thick and thin materials with little vibration or kickback. And you'll get plenty of attachments with this 31-piece kit. Along with the oscillating tool itself, the kit includes 2 wood and metal flush cut blades, 1 wood flush cut blade, 1 wooden drywall blade, 1 drywall jab saw, 1 hook and loop pad, 12 sanding sheets and various grits for sanding painted surfaces, 12 sanding sheets and various grits for wood, metal, or plaster, and 1 handy storage bag to keep everything together. That means you can tackle a huge range of DIY tasks around your home, yard, and garage. Number 2. Makita XMT03Z cordless oscillating tool uses an 18-volt battery to deliver up to 20,000 OPM. Speed is adjustable via an easy-to-reach dial, and it features a soft start mechanism for smoother startups. A large on-off button is easy to find, and it has a lock-on feature for reducing finger fatigue during long jobs. The tool S-clamp system allows you to change blades easily, and a small diameter barrel grip is comfortable and easy to hold. It also features a battery level indicator light and 2 adapters that make it easy to use other brands' accessories. What we didn't like about the Makita XMT03Z was that there is no LED to light the surface in low light conditions. We also didn't like the position of the flip lock for the quick change because it would prevent the blade from cutting as deep as it could. Number 1. DEWALT DCS 355B Max XR Oscillating Tool is our pick for the best overall oscillating tool. It utilizes a brushless motor that they claim provides up to 57% more runtime. We can confirm it held the charge long enough to get our work done. The 20-volt battery provides plenty of power and helps the tool reach 20,000 oscillations per minute, OPM. It has a dual grip variable speed trigger, so you can operate and adjust the speed of the device with your right or left hand. A bright LED helps illuminate dark work areas, and it's lightweight at under 3 pounds. It features a quick change accessories system and comes with 2 wood-cutting blades. The DEWALT DCS 355B Max is easily one of our favorite cordless oscillating tools. The only thing we can complain about besides having to buy the battery and charger separately is that it runs a little hot. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.